गर्मी और नमी के मौसम में स्किन इन्फेक्शंस काफी बढ़ जाते हैं। आइए जाने देश और दुनिया के जाने माने और अपने शहर गुरुग्राम के प्रसिद्ध डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर रमनजीत सिंह से कि त्वचा की सही देखभाल के लिए क्या करना चाहिए ताकि हमारी त्वचा निरोगी रहे। वेलकम डॉक्टर रमनजीत सिंह ऑन फंगल फ्री इंडिया टॉक शो। डॉक्टर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि फंगल इन्फेक्शन की देखभाल कैसे करें और उससे कैसे निपटें?
They come in a very hot and humid climate as it is in India, and so to manage fungal infections we have to be very clear according to the causative agent of the fungal infection. So if it is involving the body, it is called Tinea corporis. If it involves groins, it is called Tinea cruris, or feet may be Tinea pedis. So now to take care of such fungal infections, we have to keep the area absolutely clean and dry. Use daily antifungal soaps, then avoid tight and synthetic clothes. Try to wear loose, breathable cotton garments. Avoid sharing personal items like towels, combs, clothes, shoes, and disinfect the linen and clothes, and they should be properly dried every day in the sun. Then if somebody has fungal infection, you should go for medical treatments according to your dermatologist.
डॉक्टर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि फंगल इन्फेक्शन का इलाज क्या है?
Fungal infections, depending on the area of fungal infection and type of fungus involved, there are various treatments which are given to the patients these days. So first is topical therapy, where we use mild creams in the form of antifungal creams, and these are mainly given to patients who have localized infections or very mild infection. We have various drugs like luliconazole cream, clotrimazole cream, ketoconazole cream or ceticonazole cream, and even terbinafine creams. These are given to the patients. They apply twice a day to the affected area, and it helps in clearing. Now, some of the patients, they don't clear infections with using these creams, so for them we have to advise them systemic oral antifungal therapy. They may be in the form of oral terbinafine, itraconazole, fluconazole, or griseofulvin. And we always need to provide liver function tests of the patients before starting these therapies. Apart from that, adjunctive measures like antifungal dusting powders, antihistamines, antimicrobial soaps are again mainstay of antifungal therapy.
डॉक्टर, सबसे गंभीर फंगल इन्फेक्शन कौन सा है?
Superficial fungal infections are not very dangerous, but systemic fungal infections can be life-threatening. There are various classifications of fungal infections. Superficial fungal infections, we have tinea and candida skin infections. When it comes to subcutaneous infections, we have sporotrichosis or chromoblastomycosis. And systemic or deep fungal infections include aspergillosis, mucormycosis, cryptococcosis. The most serious and life-threatening fungal infection is mucormycosis or black fungus. This is caused by Mucorales species, and if uncontrolled, it can give rise to various complications. It can go even up to your brain. It can infect your heart, lungs, and kidney everywhere. It can be disseminated also, and it is most commonly seen in immunosuppressive patients like diabetic patients or post-COVID patients.
डॉक्टर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि यदि लक्षण पहले से बेहतर हो जाए तो क्या एंटी फंगल उपचार लेना बंद कर सकते हैं?
You cannot stop antifungal treatment till the fungus is fully eradicated. If fungus is controlled, we should continue with the antifungal treatment as advised by your dermatologist. You have to continue your oral medication at least 2 weeks after completion of your symptoms. And you have to continue with your topical therapy also up to 2 to 3 weeks post relieving of the symptoms. Symptoms may be in the form of itching, redness, irritation. Even if you don't have symptoms, spores may be there, and so please don't stop this treatment till it is fully eradicated and till your dermatologist asks you to stop.
डॉक्टर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि मुझे कितने समय तक एंटी फंगल दवाएं लेने की आवश्यकता है?
Antifungal medicines treatment regime depends on the type of fungal infection and body area involved. In case of Tinea corporis, where trunks and limbs are involved, you need to have continuous treatment for 3 to 4 weeks. If it is involving the groin, which is called Tinea cruris, or inner thighs, then your treatment period is about 3 to 4 weeks. Similarly, face involvement causing tinea fasciae, you require about 4 to 5 weeks of treatment. And in tinea pedis, which is called athlete's foot, you require about 4 to 6 weeks of treatment. And similarly, if there is involvement of nails, then they are very, very resistant. You require about 6 to 12 months of oral and topical treatment to get rid of this fungal infection.
A public awareness initiative for healthy India.